Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Medical Hub. Today I am going to share some key points related with endocrine systems. So now let's see. First one is the gland. Means what is the gland? So glands is a group of cells that is present in the animal's body that synthesize such as hormone for release into the bloodstream or into cavities inside the body or its outer surface. That means which hormones is released into the bloodstream, and that is endocrine gland, and other one is the release some hormones in outer cavities inside the body or its outer surface. It's a exocrine gland. Glands, it categorized into three category: endocrine gland, mixed gland, and exocrine gland. So first one is the endocrine gland. Means endocrine glands release chemical substance like hormone directly into the bloodstream or tissue of the body. Endocrine glands secretes only the hormone, and exocrine glands secretes the enzymes through duct outside the body onto another surface within the body. And next is the mixed gland, that is release that is secrete both hormone and enzyme. So example of mixed gland is pancreas, and an exocrine gland is salivary gland, lacrimal gland, etc. So these are the glands. Means glands is categorized into three category: endocrine, that is secrete hormone directly into the bloodstream or tissue of the body; exocrine gland, that is release chemical substance like enzymes through the duct outside the body onto another surface within the body. Next is the mixed gland, that is secrete both hormone and enzymes. It's a pancreas gland. Next one is the endocrine gland. So here is the list of some endocrine glands: pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, adrenal gland, and pineal gland. So here is a simple diagram of pituitary gland. You can see here pineal, thyroid, adrenal, pancreas, ovary, and testis. Ovaries is present in the females and testis in the male. First one is the pituitary gland. So pituitary gland, where is located? So it's located in the brain between the hypothalamus and pineal gland. Pituitary gland situated between the hypothalamus and pineal gland. Because of situation of hypothalamus, so pituitary gland is also known as the hypophysis. It's a technical name of hypophysis. And the size of a pea-shaped, means pituitary gland is a pea-shaped size, and its weight is 0.5 grams in normal human beings, and it is also known as master gland of the body. So pituitary gland is situated in between the hypothalamus and pineal gland. Because of its location or situated, it's also known as the hypophysis, and the size of its size is pea-shaped, and its weight is 0.5 grams in normal humans. And most important key point of pituitary gland is pituitary gland is also known as the master gland of the body. Next one is the pituitary gland has two lobes: anterior lobe or adenohypophysis, and posterior lobe, it's neurohypophysis. Anterior lobe secretes the type of hormones, and posterior lobe secretes another type of hormone. So anterior lobe is also known as the adenohypophysis, and posterior lobe is also known as the neurohypophysis. These are the lobes of pituitary gland: anterior lobe and posterior lobe. Anterior lobe secretes the adenocorticotropic hormone or ACTH, thyroid stimulating hormone or TSH, luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, prolactin, growth hormone or somatotropin hormone, and melanocyte stimulating hormone. These are secreted by the anterior lobe of pituitary gland. And next lobe is the posterior lobe or neurohypophysis. Neurohypophysis secrete the antidiuretic hormone and oxytocin. So pituitary gland secretes the two type of pituitary gland at the two lobes, anterior lobe and posterior lobe, that both are secrete different type of hormones. And pituitary gland is also known as master gland of human body, and pituitary gland size is pea-shaped. And anterior lobe of pituitary gland is also known as the adenohypophysis, and posterior lobe is also known as the neurohypophysis. These are the key points related with pituitary gland. Next one is the thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is butterfly shaped and it's situated low on the front of the neck. Here you can see these four are the parathyroid gland and this butterfly shaped is thyroid gland. And thyroid gland is the largest endocrine gland of the human body. And the most important key point is thyroid gland is also known as the Adam's apple. In most of exams, question will be asked what is the Adam's apple. So thyroid gland is also known as the Adam's apple. And TSH hormone that is secreted by the pituitary gland. Which one is stimulate the thyroid gland to produce hormone T3 and T4. Next is the hormone that is secreted by the thyroid gland, T3 or triiodothyroxine and T4 or thyroxine hormone. T3 and T4 regulate your body's temperature, metabolism and heart rate. And its deficiency or increase the amount of T3 and T4 cause the hyperthyroidism and hypothyroidism. Next one is the thyroxine hormone controls the metabolic rate. It's a key point of thyroid glands related question. Thyroxine hormone controls the metabolic rate and thyroxine is a iodine containing hormones. And it is also known as pacemaker of endocrine glands. So, which gland is also known as the pacemaker of endocrine gland? So, it's a thyroid gland is also known as the pacemaker of endocrine gland. So, these are the key points related with thyroid gland. Means thyroid gland is butterfly shaped and it's situated low on the front of the neck and it's the largest endocrine gland. It's also known as the Adam's apple. And TSH hormone that is secreted by the pituitary gland is stimulate the thyroid gland to produce hormone T3 and T4. And two types of hormone is secreted by the thyroid gland, triiodothyronine on T3 and T4 or thyroxine hormone. T3 and T4 hormone both regulate your body's temperature, metabolism and heart rate. And the thyroxine hormone controls the metabolic rate. Thyroxine is a iodine containing hormone. So, if in any exams question will be asked which hormone is a iodine containing hormone, so thyroxine is a iodine containing hormones. And the key point, most important point is pacemaker of endocrine glands is thyroid gland. Next gland is parathyroid gland. Parathyroid gland are four small glands of the endocrine system. Parathyroid glands are located in the neck behind the thyroid gland. It's the back view of thyroid gland. So you can see here four parathyroid glands is there. It's in four small glands and it's regulate the calcium in our bodies. Parathyroid glands is located in the neck behind the thyroid where they continuously monitor and regulate blood calcium levels. And these are the hormones that is secreted by the parathyroid gland. First hormone is parathyroid hormone that corrects the low blood calcium level, and next one is the calcitonin hormone that corrects the high blood calcium level. It's the most important key point, so please remember it. Parathyroid gland secretes two type of hormone. Parathyroid hormone that correct the low blood calcium level, and calcitonin hormone that correct the high blood calcium level. And calcitonin involved in regulating the level of calcium and phosphate in our bodies. So these are the hormone that is secreted by the parathyroid gland. Next is the adrenal gland or suprarenal gland. Adrenal gland is also known as the suprarenal gland because of it's situated above the kidney or renal. So these are the small structure attached found above the kidney. You can see here two adrenal gland is there. Adrenal gland is known as the emergency gland of the body. If any exams question will be asked which gland is also known as the emergency gland of the body, so answer is the adrenal gland or suprarenal gland. This is why it is known as the emergency gland. So This is because it produces a hormone called adrenaline, which prepares our body from emergencies. Adrenal hormone controls the blood sugar, burn protein, and fat, regulate the blood pressure. Adrenal glands is divided into two parts, cortex and medulla. Adrenal cortex is the outer part and adrenal medulla is the inner part of the adrenal gland. You can see here, it's the adrenal glands region, adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla. So adrenal glands is divided into two parts, adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla. These both cortex and medulla secretes different type of hormone. Adrenal cortex secrete the glucocorticoids hormone that controls carbohydrate, protein and fat. And medulla secrete epinephrine or adrenaline hormone that stimulate the heart and promote the flow of blood. So these two hormones secreted by the different part of the adrenal gland. Adrenal cortex secrete the glucocorticoid hormone and adrenal medulla secrete the adrenaline hormone. Adrenaline is also called as fight or flight. Next is the pineal gland. Pineal gland is also known as the third eye of the human body. The pineal gland produces the serotonin derivative, serotonin that is derivative from melatonin, and that hormone affect the modulation of wake up and sleep pattern and seasonal functions. And melatonin is best known for the role it plays in regulating sleep pattern. Melatonin hormone is responsible for the regulating sleep pattern. So pineal gland is also known as the third eye and it produces serotonin derivative melatonin hormone. Next one is the pancreas. Pancreas gland. Now we can see the endocrine gland. Next one is the exocrine gland that secrete mixed gland that secrete the both hormone and enzymes. So pancreas is endocrine and exocrine gland, and it's three major types of cells: alpha cells, beta cells and delta cells. These three cells secrete different type of hormones. So alpha cells secrete glucagon hormone that increase the blood sugar levels in the human body. Next, and beta cells secrete insulin that decrease the sugar level. And delta cells secrete somatostatin hormone that is responsible for anti-growth factor. So these are the hormone that is secreted by the pancreas gland, and different part of the pancreas. In pancreas, three types of cells is there: alpha cells that secrete glucagon hormone that is responsible for increased blood sugar levels, and beta cells secrete insulin hormone that is decrease the blood sugar level, and delta cells secrete somatostatin hormone that is anti-growth factor. So these are the key points related with pancreas gland. Next one is the disease of thyroid gland. So in some kind of disease is there in thyroid related gland. Hyperthyroidism when the thyroid level is increased, and hypothyroidism when the thyroid level is decreased. And then Hashimoto disease, Graves disease, goiter and thyroid nodule. These are the disease related with thyroid gland. So in this video I had given some key points related with endocrine systems or glands. So please remember it, because of any exams like medical or another type of government exams, one or two question always will be asked about the endocrine systems or related with the endocrine gland. Thank you for watching us.